Hey guys, so if you're watching this tutorial, hopefully you've bought and paid for and are excited to start using iReal Pro. And so I'm going to show, first thing I'm going to show you is how to make your own song in iReal Pro. So we're going to make a new song and we're just going to call this Dominant Chord Jam. And we're going to just jam out on one dominant chord. Composer is Dennis Schaefer. I composed this one chord. Yay, we're going to make it medium C, swing, C major, great. And we're going to actually just compose several measures of C dominant chords. So we're going to hit create. And here we have a C dominant, so we're going to just hit C7. And then next, let 4 beats go by and then do a bar line and then do C7 again. And we're just going to do this several times. Let's see. I think that's the right distance. Another C7. And I'm just going to do 4 measures of this. Next, 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 next. And then C7 one last time. And then this time we're going to do an end bar line, which you go to cymbals, and then we just do a double bar line and double bar line. So once again, we started the piece with, just opened a piece, made C7 space, 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 bar line, C7 space, 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 bar line, space, and then you just got to click cymbals at the bottom, and it gives you a bunch of cymbals. I didn't bother to enter 4/4 time, but I suppose I could just click on the first measure and put 4/4 in there in the cymbals section, and that's it. And then hit done in the upper right. And then we are going to be jamming out on this in class using whatever dominant chord we're working on. C7 for alto sax is A7. A lot of us are working on B flat blues. So the first chord of B flat blues is B flat 7. So that's concert B flat. That's G for alto sax. That's C7 for tenor sax or clarinet. It's B flat 7 for trombone or flute. So this B flat 7 chord, the notes for B flat 7 chord are just the same as your concert B flat major scale, except you lower the 7th. So it would be a concert A flat instead of a concert A would be the last note before you play B flat again. So for flute or trombone, it would be B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat. For saxophone, alto sax would be G, A, B, C, D, E, F, natural G. For trumpet or tenor sax or clarinet, it would be C, D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C. All right. So I think that covers everybody that's going to be playing. And then once you've had that entered, go ahead and jam out with B flat 7 a little bit. If you want to go on an extra adventure, mix the B flat 7, concert B flat 7 notes with your concert B flat blues scale like this. hope you enjoyed that tutorial on how to make a dominant chord and jam out along with it in iReal Pro. See you soon.